to read the definition, and then the definition is finally here. It is on the GhanaMusicAwards.com website. So I'm going to read the definition for the best rap performance, and you will surely know what to do in terms of voting. Are you a voting member of the scheme, Adam? Have you been voting?
No.
You've not voted for Vgma before?
No.
Oh, not even as an academy or?
No.
Hey, Charlie, as I was watching around, because by this time there, Anka Okahobi. Or 10, you have been voting. You have been voting. Yeah. You also don't vote. Hey. Okay. The best rapper of the year is adjudged by the Academy and board. Say again.
Rap performance or rapper man?
On their website, it is there as the best rapper.
Is it last year or this year?
This year. That is what they've released.
And the category name is different.
It says the best rapper of the year is adjudged by the Academy and board as the rap artist with the best word compositions, rhymes, and rap dexterity on a song released in the year under review. Adam, does it satisfy you now?
Yeah, on the song, the latter part, on the song released
in the year
under review. Yeah, but the name confuses.
Which name again?
So it means if you win the best rap song, you become the best rapper of the year.
Exactly.
That's what the category definition is telling us. And I'm satisfied with that.
You are not satisfied?
Yeah.
Okay. This also brings satisfaction. My squares is as confused as anything. No, me about my squares too. Yeah.
But ask the question again. Let me make sure I'm getting this correct.
First, we were looking for the definition.
Yeah.
Now we have it as it has been read, and I'm asking that. Looking at the definition and the nominations, does it satisfy you now? Because initially you were still not sure whether it is on a song or it's on a record.
But the title that you read is different from the category title.
But that is what the understanding of the organizers is.
That if you win the best rap song, you are the best rapper of the year.
Exactly.
That's what what it means.
That's what it means.
And read it one more time.
Okay, it says the best rapper of the year is adjudged by the Academy and board as the rap artist with the best word compositions, rhymes, and rap dexterity on a song released in the year under review. On a song.
Okay. Cool. Okay.
It's cool now. Okay, so do you have a favorite here? Because we've listened to some of their songs.
I mean, for me, like Brown Paper Bag was very epic. Like, I think like it wasn't just Sark, right? Is that not the one that Manifest?
Yeah, Manifest was on it.
Yeah,
but like that it is Sarkodie who has been nominated for his rap verse on the song.
Okay. Okay.
maybe Manifest didn't file anything. It could be.
No, it wasn't a Manifest song, so he can't even.
But I mean, can you extract a verse from a song and say only this person's verse has qualified them for a
yes,
nomination?
in this case they can, because they are looking for what you did on a particular song. So what it means is that you could even be a featured artist on a song.
Yeah, I know you could be that.
And they will nominate you as the best rap performance of the year.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now I get it. Okay, cool. Yeah. I mean, Well, I felt that overall that record, both Sark and Manifest. So, but hey, if they picked Sark, cool. But Joey B as well. Like, I just feel like, I really love his overall performance. His wordplay, his flow, his delivery. You know what I mean? So those are probably out of what you just played. That's probably like my two. Okay. Like as in specific performances, because I like the other artists, but I for me personally, I don't know if those were the strongest submissions. Like particularly like the Amarado, and Strongman as well. Like I think I love them as artists. I think they've got other songs.
You still want Amarado to be considered with his year Team series, eh?
No, do you know what? I just think it's a discussion. Like it's not even like I'm advocating for it, but I think that it's something very clever what he did, and like to what end? Like because it's good when you see artists being innovative and trying to find ways to get out there. But then when they're being innovative in a way where they're actually rapping each time that they're doing this thing, at what point do you classify that as, okay, it's a side thing, and at what point do you say it is a performance?
Because personally, I know that Amrado put out this particular song that's the best rapper song for this recognition. Maybe he was so sure that what he has been doing with the series, he wouldn't get it.
He wouldn't get,
So he was specific in putting out this particular song for such a recognition, and it happened for him. Ote, your favorite so far?
Very good morning to Becky and then Francisca. You guys are doing the listening. And just, Debia. Unfortunately, you're supposed to go to school, but it looks like it's some extension. So be good at home. Sammy, Kizak, the most awarded African rapper. Too much juice, man. Because
so
you've seen it, you've done it. I mean, I've worked with you. I know who you are, Charlie. I mean, you've done it. And Medical, Sammy, I was there the day that Medical lost out on almost all the awards. That was a painful moment. I was sitting like next 1-2 to him, with his nice, suit with an over, coat and all that. Unfortunately, but I mean, subsequently, he's proven himself. He taught us that, Charlie, a first misfortune is never what it should let you down, but you can still move
go
on.
Ahead still.
Yeah, and he has proven himself. I think Amrado should be given the chance.
Just be given the chance.
Not just be given the chance. Just is like you haven't done anything and you just need to be given the chance. You see why I won't put Amrado in the midst of the Sacks, the Joeys, and all those guys. Not because they are not equal in terms of their craft. I mean, who releases rap on Kwadia? You're competing with equally any rapper out there. But sometimes you also can advocate and push for some eye to be given to somebody to get that recognition. And I think the year under review, let's not downplay anything. The year Tinsem and Yanyom Kro. It's a rap.
But
so Debbie, Sammy, sometimes relevance and all that, there are so many things that comes to play, even though the category states such. But I think under the year, this guy has been on his toes. He has rose. In the year under review, but the understanding we have now, what it means is that anybody they don't make sense to what we are talking about. So, yes, it might not make sense, but we won't also downplay that activity of that young chap who rose from nothing to a household name within the shortest time with that effort. I mean, it's great. Notwithstanding that, like I said, Sack, Medical, I mean,
why do you want to sound like you want to retire them?
No, I'm not retiring them. But there are some people, anytime they stand in the midst of others, obviously they become the go-to people to actually take the crown.
The top of mind kind
precisely. But don't forget, last time we were talking here, the top of mind all the time, because they have built a reputation over time. Their names has become household. Sometimes when you get behind the seat, you realize that other guys are doing so well. So I think, to me,
Amrado.
Yeah.
Best rap performance. So the category definition is what it is. Don't be confused. Yes, over there it's still best rapper. But
I understand. If you win, you become the ultimate best rapper of the year. I mean, I'm choosing two. Joey B and Sarkodie are my favorites in terms of their song for the best rap. Any of them can win for this category.
Yeah,
me the content in F. There's no name Sax song.
Brown Paperback.
He was talking about are stuff that we all need to project as Africans. It's not just about the rap bars and stuff like that. And I feel say if I have to choose one, and I'm a boy and not at all masum with Nyama me pitié. And not just say a better singing, but that's what on this tracks I'm eating. I'll go for Sax On and Joey B.
Okay. Inti Army Lions, mo person mo say ahanso ebeboy yana. Cause 3 music awards, mo mane eboy. As Army Lions, mo person mo say ebeboy yana. This time round, we are about to intensify our campaign. We are about to change our campaign strategies. Amrado, yes, as much as the Yetin something is not playing any key role here, we will make sure that we will do all the necessary noise. Someone like My Quest is not too happy that Amrado's Yetin Sem is not getting the necessary recognition, but he's not able to say it with all the vim and vigor. We will help him to trumpet this. We help him to trumpet this.
No, if he puts it in an album, if he did Yetin Sem and dropped it as an album, because at the end of the day, let's be fair. You have to still go back to the category definitions.
Yeah.
So for me, if I was part of their team, I don't know if it falls into the window of the category, but I would have packaged. Oh yeah, EP. Right? If you said EP, how many tracks? 4 or 5?
Maximum 6.
You could, exactly. So you could have just now all drop every month all drop it EP. Yeah. No, but this is what I mean by strategy. This is what I mean by also having that, because you know that okay, there is no category for news rapper of the year, for example. Yeah. So how do you package it to make sure you get into other categories? Because at the end of the day, if you packaged it like that, and he would have had probably going on to at least 4, 5, 6 EPs of just Yetin Sem Volume 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
You